Hello traders! Carolina Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program. It is Tuesday, July 31st of 2012. Wow! Half of the year is already gone. Unbelievable, but we are still playing. We're still having fun on the markets, and I believe that you guys are all ready for some technical analysis here with me tonight. So let's get started. Let's take a look at our Q's daily chart and let's see what's going on in here. Wow, beautiful, beautiful area of resistance that we are hitting at this moment. We just hit it once here. This blue trend line coming up, that is a significant area of resistance that we talked about yesterday. We hit it once here. We never made it back to it today, but still we're struggling at the 65.10 mark. And then as you can see, we broke through it right here back on July 19th. We closed the day slightly higher, but then the next day, boom, we pull back down. And then here we are back at this area of resistance here again, but we are still struggling. So that is a tough one to break through. So what we need to pay close attention to tomorrow, again, 65.10, and then also the high of yesterday, which was at 65.31. And also, if we do get another low candlestick trading inside that tight trading range, right here between the high of yesterday, 65.31, and the low of yesterday, which was at 64.60, then we would call it a high base formation. So watch for that next candlestick here. If we do ever get it trading between the high and low of yesterday, we would have a little really nice high base. But now those areas of resistance, and also watch those areas of support down below where those moving averages are. The 8 moving average, which is here in green, that's my favorite one. You should already know that. And then the second one right here below, which is in pink. That's a really nice and very important area of support that I want you to pay close attention to. So now that we already know what's happening here on the chart, let's go down and take a look at our MACD. Wow, the MACD is still in a bullish territory above the zero line, slowing down a bit, which is normal. That's typical. That's what happens when we're slowing down here on the chart. That's what we see happening. We're resting at this point, and we are slowing down here on the MACD. That's again very typical. But what you need to pay close attention to and look for is a confirmation. Whatever you see happening on the chart, if we do ever continue higher, then we would want to see the MACD going higher as well. If we do ever get a little bit of a pullback to that lower area support, I would want to see a downturn on the MACD as well. So that is a confirmation. Look at the volume. We are dropping in volume here slightly. We are trading on the volume below the average, but not really bad. But I still like those spikes in volume, or at least slightly above the average. That's what I call high volume. But we're not there yet. We're slowing down a bit here, getting ready for a major move one way or the other. So again, watch those areas of support and resistance that I showed you here today, and also look for confirmation with the MACD. So how these little classes help you understand the chart better, I would appreciate a little bit of a feedback. If you would please put a little comment down below the video, I would really appreciate it. I love comments, and I love to know what you think of those little videos. So if you don't mind, please put a little comment right below the video, and I would be really happy to see it. And then also, our next free trading foundation class is coming up this Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time and 6 p.m. Pacific. So if you would like to register, I am posting a little registration link right below the video, so that you click on it. It will take you to the registration page, and you'll have to fill the information out, send the information in, and you'll be all ready to go. So again, this coming Wednesday at 9 p.m. Eastern and 6 Pacific. All right, so enjoy the rest of your evening. Happy trading, and I will see you back in class tomorrow.